Hey everyone! If you're tired of constantly shelling out money for replacement filters every few months, you're going to love what we're looking at today. This is the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier, and it is an absolute game changer for your home. The biggest selling point is right in the name, NeverChange. This unit features a massive, HEPA-exceeding filter that's designed to last for up to 5 years. That means no more expensive filter subscriptions, and no more worrying if your purifier is actually doing its job. It captures 99.98% of particles, from dust and pet dander to smoke and allergens, making it a must-have if you struggle with seasonal sensitivities or share your home with furry friends. What's really cool is the Clean Sense IQ technology. It's constantly tasting the air in your room and showing you the air quality on a real-time display. If it detects a spike in pollutants, like when you're cooking or after a pet runs through, it automatically ramps up the power to scrub the air clean and then settles back down once the job is done. It even has an odor neutralizer technology built in, which guards against stale smells and keeps your space smelling fresh rather than clinical. Whether you need it for a large master bedroom, a busy living area, or a home office, the HP153 covers a huge amount of square footage while staying remarkably quiet. It's sleek, it's white, and it blends perfectly into any modern decor without looking like a bulky piece of industrial equipment. If you want a set it and forget it solution for the cleanest air possible, this is definitely the one to get. Click the link below for the best price and start breathing easier today. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a review. Catch you in the next one.